Welcome back, my ambitious friend. Today we are diving deep into the realm of emotional intelligence. We all know about IQ, our intelligence quotient, but there's a new contender in town: CQ, or curiosity quotient. However, what I find truly fascinating is emotional intelligence, or EQ. Emotional intelligence, as popularized by Daniel Goleman, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It's about being aware that emotions drive our behavior and can have a profound impact on both ourselves and those around us. So, what are the key qualities of an emotionally intelligent person? Let's explore them together, and I hope you gain valuable insights that will help you influence not only your own mind, but also the minds of others. First and foremost, empathy plays a crucial role. Empathy is the capacity to understand and feel what another person is experiencing from within their frame of reference. There are two types of empathy: affective empathy, which refers to the feelings and sensations we experience in response to others' emotions, and cognitive empathy, which is our ability to identify and understand the emotions of others. Cultivating empathy through experiences and reflection can greatly enhance our emotional intelligence. Next, we have self-awareness, the art of understanding ourselves and how we are perceived by others. It's important to seek honest feedback and ask introspective questions to improve our self-awareness. Curiosity also plays a significant role in emotional intelligence. Curious individuals are passionate learners, tolerant of ambiguity, and invest in intellectual growth over time. They analyze and process new and old information to continuously improve themselves. Faith, both practical, emotional, and spiritual, is another component of emotional self-control. Alongside values like hard work and perseverance, faith strengthens our belief in ourselves and in the power of the universe to guide us. Combine faith with action, and you have the foundation of a champion. Differentiating between needs and wants is essential for emotional intelligence. Knowing what you truly need to live, achieve goals, and support yourself and loved ones sets the stage for fulfilling wants. Emotionally intelligent individuals prioritize needs before wants and make conscious choices. Passion and purpose are the driving forces behind inspired leadership and love for what you do. Passion is infectious, contagious, and permeates all areas of life. It fuels perseverance and a positive attitude. Even in the face of challenges, maintaining a positive attitude is crucial for clear thinking, constructive relationships, and overall success. Attitude is the one thing within our control, and choosing to be positive each day can significantly impact our success and happiness. Adaptability is also key. Emotionally intelligent individuals recognize when to stay the course and when to make a change. They stay open-minded, and constantly evaluate and introduce new elements to their thinking and actions. Change and starting over are always on the table. Lastly, emotionally intelligent individuals are interested in the success and achievement of both themselves and their peers. They possess a spirit of desire and hope for the success of others, building powerful relationships that come back to support them in return. Now, my friend, I leave you with this question: what actions from this video will you implement in your life? I encourage you to embrace emotional intelligence, cultivate empathy, seek self-awareness, nurture curiosity, have faith, prioritize needs over wants, pursue passion, maintain a positive attitude, embrace adaptability, and celebrate the success of others. Remember, if you found this video valuable, consider giving a tip proportional to the value received. The link can be found in the description. Until next time, stay emotionally intelligent and keep striving for success. You were lied to, my friend. When you first set out on your journey, they made it seem so easy. They painted a picture of effortless success, telling you that everything you desired was just a few steps away. But let me tell you something, it's not easy. Starting a business, writing a book, growing a following, implementing solutions, these things are far from simple. It takes hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. It takes turning a mere asset of value 1 into something extraordinary, worth 5. And even then, that's just scratching the surface. Becoming truly exceptional at anything is no walk in the park. The road is paved with challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. But here's the thing: the illusion of ease is what brings you to the table. It's what ignites that fire within you to chase your dreams. Without that belief, you would never take the first step. You see, the difficulty you face now separates the wheat from the chaff. It sifts out the posers, the panders, the sloths, the slackers. It exposes the hucksters and the hacks who were only in it for the easy road. But not you. You were meant for this, my friend. You were meant to push through the challenges and conquer the obstacles. You have a unique vision, an ability to see what others can't. You were meant to break free from the illusion of safety and comfort, to dare to pursue your passions. And here's the truth: it's the difficulty, the struggle, the failures that make you strong. It's those moments of pain and adversity that shape you into the person you're meant to become. Your journey is a story, and it's up to you to finish it. You were meant to march on, even in the face of evil. Because let's be real, the world is filled with far too many unhappy, angry, dispassionate, and apathetic people. They don't need another member. They need someone like you, someone who's willing to fight for something better. You were meant to live a life of your own design, a life where you break free from the expectations and limitations that society imposes. You were meant for greatness, my friend. And it's time to go out and claim it, so don't let the lies of ease hold you back. Embrace the difficulties, the challenges, and the hard work that lies ahead. Each step forward is a step closer to the life you've always dreamed of. You have the power within you to make it happen. You were meant for more. It's time to go and get it. But before we wrap up, I want to ask you something. What actions will you take after watching this video? What steps will you implement in your life to pursue your dreams and create the life you desire? Take a moment to reflect and commit to those actions. And remember, if you found this video valuable and it has inspired you, consider giving a tip proportional to the value you received. The link can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching, my friend. Now go out there, embrace the difficulties, and claim the life you were meant for. There were 3 big mindsets that nearly all highly successful people adopt over the course of their lives. All 3 of these mindsets are counterintuitive and completely different from the way that most people think. The last one, in particular, is rare because it goes directly against the basic tendencies of the human ego. In this video, I'll explain what these mindsets are, how successful people think about them, and how to utilize them in practical situations. When most people take action, they only have vague goals. But when highly successful people set out on a certain course of action, they know exactly why they're doing it and what result they're aiming for. If someone is totally clear about why they're doing something, they can explain the precise chain of events that they expect to result from it. The why of highly successful people differs from that of most people. For example, the average person might say, "I am going to order the salmon because it's healthy," but a highly successful person would say, "I am eating salmon because it has half as many calories as a burger, more protein, it's equally filling, and has omega-3s. I'll lose weight by eating fewer calories, plus I'll have more energy and cleaner arteries." Notice how much more specific and detailed the intentions of highly successful people are. They have a well-thought-out plan with a clear rationale. This doesn't mean they're not open to serendipity or unexpected opportunities, but first and foremost, they have a clear and detailed plan. Most people look at a broken window and think about how much it sucks that someone's window got broken. But successful people look at that same window and wonder how much money they could make fixing windows. Every problem, whether our own or somebody else's, offers an opportunity. At the very least, it can be a learning experience and a chance to grow as a person. But very often, there's an opportunity for more tangible benefit. For instance, most people would get angry if their flight was canceled, leaving them stranded on an island until the next day. But when that happened to Richard Branson, he realized that all of his fellow passengers were stranded as well, and that gave him an opening. He chartered a plane, selling seats to his fellow passengers to cover the cost. Branson made it home on time and in style with a tidy profit to boot. Then, having validated the idea with very little risk, he started an airline. Most people become upset when they encounter difficulty, but successful people look at the problem and think, this isn't what people usually think of as optimism. It's not a generalized faith that things will work out on their own. The opportunity mindset is something completely different. The problem is still a problem, but it also offers an opportunity that can be seized if you take action. This is the most counterintuitive of the 3 success mindsets. It's also the most emotionally difficult. It goes against human nature and against your ego. Highly successful people want everything that goes wrong to be their fault. We all want the future to be in our control, but most people like to think that their past failures were outside of their control, that nothing was their fault. Overweight people want to believe they just have an incurably slow metabolism. Poor people want to believe the system is rigged against them. Chronically single people want to believe there are no good partners out there. The problem with this is that the problems you've had in the past are largely the same ones you'll have in the future. So if a past failure was not your fault, that also means it's not within your power to fix it. You're screwed. The most successful people in the world actively look for reasons why their failures were their fault. They'd rather take the ego hit of shouldering the blame if it means they can find a way to improve their lives by fixing something. These mindsets are difficult to adopt for most of us. They go directly against our instinct. But with time, you can make them your own by sheer force of habit. Every time you make a non-trivial decision, whether it's a major life decision like taking a new job or something fairly routine like deciding where to eat, think through why you're doing it and exactly what you expect to get out of it. Every time you either have a problem or witness a problem that isn't yours, take a few seconds to ask yourself what potential opportunity it presents. That opportunity doesn't have to be one that you would necessarily want to take advantage of. It just needs to be an opportunity. Every time something goes wrong in your life, think about why it happened and look for something you could have done that might have prevented it. Then, figure out how you can do better next time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video valuable, consider giving a tip proportional to the value received. The link can be found in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content. Now, I'd like to hear from you. What actions from this video are you going to implement in your life? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, success is within your reach if you adopt these 3 powerful mindsets.